that why you deserve tonight, remember?
Lychee, oh. Yeah, okay. Sorry. What setup niya actually?
Almond lychee.
Looks nice. I think everything looks nice. Wait muna mo, wait muna. Here. What else you get? Oh, you have to try this one. Lamb. Ayun.
Hello.
Ayun.
Sounds looks very nice.
Yes, I know. Look at that. Then we have this
Walang
thing.
takeaway ah. No take out ang policy.
No. That's it. Ano sabi mo? I said no. Look at yourself.
Dr. Domingo said no more.
Oh, look at your feet down there. Buka ka.
No more. Dr. Domingo said no more.
No more.
She said she doesn't want.
Ay, busog na lang.
She doesn't want to